As we are talking about family, Napoleon Bonaparte, the famous French emperor and conqueror who ruled over large parts of continental Europe and many colonies in North and South America, Africa and Asia, once said, "Show me a family of readers, and I will show you the people who move the world." He was definitely one of them, an avid reader from childhood on. Reading helps us gain knowledge, relaxes us and reduces stress, stimulates and strengthens our brain, and even makes us better persons, as a 2014 study by the University of Toronto shows. Reading can positively affect our personality due to the way that it broadens our perspective, and as a result helps us have more empathy for the people around us. You got an ebook reader already? Probably also got some good books? Here are a few more ways the Kindle Paperwhite can make you even smarter and maybe even a little bit of a better person.